gorgeous people. This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you my March Gramma box. Guys, I love this subscription, so let's see what kind of goodies they put in for this month. Okay, guys, so here's the box. Got the little Gramma in a Box logo right across the front and all the way around the box. Let's see what they got in here, guys. Woo! Okay, St. Patrick's Day treats. Alrighty dighty. Here's what it looks like on the inside. They give you all the little cards showing you what the little things are. What do we got? We heard you. You asked and we listened. What'd they do? More cookies! Yes, beginning in April, each box will now contain 12 cookies! What? With extra frosting and sprinkles. Well, that's pretty darn cool. Why, thank you, Grandma Terry. So it says, tell a friend. We will still have a fun candy craft each month to make 20 treats per box, and the price will stay the same. They figured it out, guys. So cool. So I guess people must have been complaining that there wasn't very many cookies in the box. It was plenty for me and my son, but hey, dozen cookies? I'm down. Let's do it. That is so cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the contents of the box. We always get 3 projects. I don't know what's going to happen when they change things. We'll have to see. All right. Oh, awesome. So we are all green for St. Patrick's Day. All right, guys, I will run through what's in here really quick. We have the melting chocolate. It is obviously green and white. Then we have these little candy thingamabobbers. I don't know what they are. We have these little cups. We'll figure out what all this stuff is for shortly. This looks like Sugar Smacks. Woo, that's different. Okay, so then we got some pretzels. And then we will jump into, oh, these are fun. The, sprinkles and stuff to decorate the cookies. The icings this month are green, yellow, and white. So cute. And then cookies. We have these too. These popsicle sticks. They give you 6 of them. And I don't want to forget that they give you the liners. So you get 2 of them to do your projects with. Okay, so we have shamrocks. I have no idea. I'm sure I'll figure it out. It looks like a hat. Okay, and mini shamrocks. All right, so cute. Let's see what's going on here. So first project is the Shamrock Pretzel Pops. Okay, that sounds really cool, and they look really cute. So for the project, we're going to need the mini pretzels, the melting chocolate, the St. Pat's Jimmies, and the little round candies are 6 slats. Okay, awesome. The next one is Crispy Pot of Gold Cups. Ooh, those look super fun. So we are going to need the Pops cereal. Oh, it's Pops. The Pops cereal. The melting chocolate, and the sprinkles. So that's what you need for project 2. Project 3, of course, is the cookies. And of course, you're going to need the cookies, the frosting, and the little decorations. All right, guys, that's all that I got in the box for this month. So let's jump into making the treats, and then I will jump into final thoughts.
Okay, for the Shamrock Pretzel Pops, you're going to need lollipop sticks, pretzels. This little candy here is a 6-let, some sprinkles, melting chocolate, a microwave-safe bowl, as well as a spoon. Then go ahead and dump the melting chocolate into the bowl to get it ready to be melted. But before you melt it, go ahead and get everything arranged the way that it needs to look. So you want everything to be in like a clover kind of a shape. And yes, guys, I realized later that the pretzel all the way to the left is facing the wrong way. And I do fix that. But I'm just getting everything prearranged before I melt my chocolate so that it's ready to go. Here's the melted chocolate. So now you're going to take one of your pretzels, you're going to dip it into the chocolate, and yes, I still did not realize that was facing the wrong way. I will fix it here in a minute. And then you just put them up against the lollipop stick so that everything kind of forms together once the chocolate dries. Now I realize that one's facing the wrong way. I pick it up, I dip it again, put it down where it belongs, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my spoon and just drizzle some chocolate into the center there so that everything like molds together once it's dry. I'll go ahead and stick my little 6-let in the center and then put the sprinkles on top. And that's it, guys. These are super cute and quite tasty. I love the chocolate covered pretzel situation. So I'm a huge fan of the way these things taste, and they're super cute and festive for St. Patrick's Day. I drew a blank. Sorry about that. Yes, guys, my voice is such a mess. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till I feel better. Okay, for the crispy pot of gold cups, you're going to need the remainder of the chocolate, the cereal they included, the gold sprinkles, and the cupcake liners. So I'm going to go ahead and start by just setting the cupcake liners out so that they're ready for me to plop the cereal in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the cereal into the melting chocolate, mix it together so that all the cereal is covered. I mean, it doesn't really have to all be covered, but I guess that's what I was going for because I kept mixing and mixing. Then you're just going to go ahead and plop that little mixture down into the cupcake liners, and that's almost it. I mean, this is such an easy thing, but guys, these taste so good. I love the cereal with the chocolate mixture. I just think it tastes so awesome, and I like the little ideas that they include each and every single month for these kinds of things. So now I'm just going to go ahead and try to even everything out, like, because some of them look like they have more than another, and I don't even know why I bother, guys, because I'm the one that's going to be eating these. Then I take the gold sprinkles and I just sprinkle those on top, and then once these dry, these are ready to roll. So again, super easy, cute, festive treat that you can have for your St. Patrick's Day party, if anybody's having one. I mean, we are amidst, the thing. Okay, so the last thing is the cookies. So obviously I have the sugar cookies, the sprinkles, as well as the icing. Okay, so the first thing I do is go ahead and outline all of the cookies with the icing that I want to use. So this time it's the green, and then in some of the other ones I'm going to use like some green, some yellow, some white. I'll just mix it up to the best of my ability. I thought the last thing looked like it was supposed to be like a pot of gold, so that's why I went ahead and put the yellow on top, but then I thought it looked kind of bland, so then I went ahead and just added some sprinkles. I mean, you can do whatever you want, guys. I mean, everybody's just going to eat these cookies, but the idea is to make them look as good as you can. So the icing consistency, sorry about that, guys, this time was actually quite good. I think because the weather's getting warmer that the things are shipping a little bit better. So I went ahead and outlined at the bottom of the little pot of gold with white because that's all I had left, but I didn't want it to be white. So then I just used the green sugar to cover up the white that I just put down because I just thought it looked really weird being white. So then I'm just going to go ahead and fill the rest of this stuff in, guys, with whatever I think looks the best. I did end up starting to run out of icing towards the end, and you're going to see me scramble as I so desperately try to make these look somewhat decent for the photos and at the very end of this video, but I don't know, guys. I never pull this off. Like, I'm always in such a hurry when I do this. My son's always in the background and always needs something, so it's kind of hard for me to do these things. If I had the time to just sit and focus, I could make them look really good. But honestly, this is supposed to be a fun thing, so, I mean, just have fun with it. You know, if you decide to get this subscription, just have fun with it. And everything tastes good, regardless of how it looks, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up here, guys, and then we will go ahead and see what they look like in the very end. And here they are. I mean, it looks okay, guys. Whatever. So we'll go ahead and zoom in here, and I'm just going to show you the pot of golds. It turned out just fine. I mean, there's really no way to kind of mess that one up, and they taste delicious. I love this idea with the little clovers with the pretzels. I think these little pretzel pops are adorable. And then, of course, we have the sugar cookie disasters, which might never turn out good. But honestly, guys, the icing consistency was far better this time, so I totally can't blame it on that because the consistency was not bad. Everything that looks, not so good is totally my fault, being in a hurry and just trying to get things done. But again, guys, this one is $20 a month. It is super fun to do. The treats are super delicious and always super cute. Let's go ahead and jump into final thoughts.
Okay, guys, so I'm sure I ran into some sort of disaster, as I always do every single month, but this is still a really fun box. Even if the treats don't turn out perfect, they still taste delicious, and that's the most important thing. And having fun while you're doing it, that's also very important. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in the Gramma in a box, I will link everything in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Today's subscription box Saturday, and in this video I have for you my March Grandma in a box. I didn't do that. Grandma in a box. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? I'm still getting my voice back. Okay, hold on. I can't even start. started this without laughing. Okay. Still thinking about my mess up from earlier. I can try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm sure I ran into some kind of issue or disaster like I do every single time I do this box, but I am filming this outtakes. No, this isn't an outtake. What is now? It wasn't. I was going to say outro, but yeah, now it's an outtake. Awesome. Do it again.